Hello guys, I haven't posted in a while. Well, not that I really post that much, but I haven't posted in pretty little bit while. I think it was like 4 weeks or something. This video, I'm gonna be doing a game mode, kind of like that, okay? So it's just gonna be like a war, but like there's 3 people in one team and 1 person on the other one. 3 people are gonna be on one team with sticks. The other team is gonna be 1 person, Juggernaut. He's gonna have a shield on his back, and he's also gonna have lances. So I've chosen these 4 people for our new game mode, and it's called Juggernaut. Alright, I'm gonna explain it to y'all, alright? So there's gonna be 3 people on one team, each of them are gonna have one stick, and there's gonna be 1 other person on the other team with a shield on their back and 2 lances. Alright? Okay. So that's how the game mode is gonna go, alright? So everyone,
how much sticks we get?
I'm gonna choose a random person every single next round. Only 1 stick, not 2. Choose Leprechaun first to be the the dude. Hold on, I will give you the specific shield you need. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna give you. Alright. Everyone, where is everyone? Everyone, go over here. Outside of safe zone, right over here.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
But why are you not doing this?
Does anyone have a what is it called? A fan? Is everyone ready?
That's a good boy.
He died.
Bro, who killed him, bro?
Wait,
And the
so
other
what do we
team,
do? Do we have to kill the
over
Juggernaut?
here. Other team over here.
Do we have to kill the Juggernaut?
Yeah, you guys have to kill the Juggernaut. Alright, so I'll tell y'all when to start, alright? Just stay there and do not attack anyone, and the only thing you should be having is a stick. Only 1 singular stick. You should not be having a MRE or 2 sticks.
He had an MRE.
Alright, wait, where's the cat? Alright, cat, get your stick. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Attack! Attack the Juggernaut, everyone!
Attack the Juggernaut! Attack the Juggernaut! Attack the Juggernaut! No! Attack the Juggernaut! Attack the Juggernaut! Attack the Juggernaut! Ah!
Oh no! The people.
Cannot be! No! Cannot!
I'll tell you when to start. Alright, 1, 2, 3, start. Bro, what are you doing? Start.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Will the people win? Juggernaut is gonna be the cat. Alright, everyone.
Me.
1,
He hated me.
2, 3.
Oh! I'm in the sky. Come here.
Oh!
I'm red
Normal
orange.
people win again. Alright.
I killed him!
Green, do you know what that means?
Thanks
It's your
for
turn to get
species.
Juggernaut. But everyone
Hey,
heal.
yo,
Everyone.
I'm right here.
Oh, there he is. Alright, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go!
Attack!
Yeah, you also gotta do something.
I'm not even hitting him!
You gotta aim.
Get out of here! No. There you go.
Bro. Get him.